This is the Iwatani 4 Winds butane stove, 12,000 BTUs, rated for outdoors or indoor catering. The first thing is the carrying case that it comes in is actually quite sturdy. I had tried another brand and it was falling apart before I even got it out of the box. And it would have easily opened and fallen out. So you do want a nice, solid, sturdy carry case. And opening up the carry case, this is wrapped nicely in cellophane and the instructions are right there on the top. So right out of the box, the burning plate is in the correct position. Other units, you do have to flip that portion upside down to store it. This does not require that. It is ready to go upon opening the box. To install the fuel can, align the notch with the tab on the insertion point, slide it into place. There's a magnet that catches it, and then it's secure. It's not coming out. So then to turn it on, simply turn the dial. You'll hear the gas. Click on, and then you can lower the flame, high or low. And I do have a carbon monoxide detector sitting right there. So far, there is nothing alarming. Okay, this heats up really fast, less than a minute, and I was ready to put some eggs on. I'm just doing a medium flame. I'll turn it down a little bit more. Super fast. One thing that happened as I was getting ready to crack an egg is this wanted to tilt backwards. So just make sure your skillet is seated on fully. Okay, so my final thoughts on the Iwatani butane gas stove. It's made in Korea. It's very well made, very solid. Everything is well made, well put together. This is the drip pan as well as the wind guard, and it just stores in this position, which is nice. Very easy insertion for the butane gas. It was my first time to ever do that, and there were no problems. Very easy. The instructions are very good. I did have a secondary carbon monoxide detector just to see like if there was any detection close by. I also have a carbon monoxide detector built in my into my home itself. Part of the fire alarm system, I do have carbon monoxide detectors. That did not go off either. I did not crack a window or a door. I wanted to see if there was any immediate detectable carbon monoxide. And at this point, there was not. The stove is very powerful. You're going to be able to cook things very quickly. So that's how carbon monoxide works. It's a long period of time of buildup that slowly takes you down. So short cooking, these eggs cooked in literally about a minute from start to finish, from heating the skillet to finish, about a minute. It's super fast. So you're not going to be cooking things, for hours and hours. In an emergency situation, you're going to be maybe cooking some bacon and eggs, some sausage, maybe some steaks out of the freezer if they're thawing, heating up some soup or chili, things that would be super fast, 20, 30 minutes, you're going to be done. I think the risk of carbon monoxide is pretty nil on this unit. If you are concerned, crack open a door or window and you're going to be fine. So again, very happy with this unit. Very solid, very well made. Instructions are great. The carry case is solid. No carbon monoxide detected indoors. My purpose for this stove is for power outages, weather, any disaster situation, where we don't have power. I don't have a gas stove in my home, so I need a secondary method to cook. So I think this is going to fit the bill perfectly. Really happy with this purchase.